Hello everyone, today we'll learn about electrophilic substitution reactions in ethers. So let us start our topic. This is aryl alkyl ether. This aryl alkyl ether readily undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction because of this alkoxy group, that is OR group. So this OR group activates the benzene ring towards electrophilic substitution reaction because through resonance it increases the electron density on benzene ring. So let us see how. And also you can see in the resonating structures that negative charge is concentrated over the ortho and para position. So you can see here it is at ortho position, here at para position, here at ortho position. The negative charge is concentrated over ortho and para position. That's why the incoming electrophile group it gets attached towards the ortho and para position. Therefore, it is the methoxy or the alkoxy group is the ortho para directing group. So we can see the resonating structures that this lone pair of electrons, it comes here, then this bond shifts here, so negative charge comes at ortho position, and so on. This charge, it resonates or it gets delocalized over the benzene ring, and these are the resonating structures of this aryl alkyl ether. And that's why it is said that this alkoxy group activates the ring towards the electrophilic substitution reaction because it increases the electron density on the benzene ring, which you have seen in the resonating structures. So one thing is clear, that alkoxy group is ortho-para directing, and also it increases the electron density on benzene ring. So now let us see what kind of electrophilic substitution reactions takes place in ether. So first we will discuss about halogenation. First we will discuss halogenation. So we are taking example of anisole. So this is anisole. So methoxy group is attached to the benzene ring. So this is known as anisole. When we treat it with bromine present in the solvent carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid, then what happens, that halogenation takes place at ortho and para position. As we have seen that this alkoxy group is ortho para directing, so the incoming electrophile attaches to the para and ortho positions, right? So we get this is what ortho bromo anisole, and this is para bromo anisole, and this is the major product. The para product is major product. Why? Because it is symmetrical, and also there is less steric hindrance compared to the ortho product. So this is halogenation. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So we will see Friedel-Crafts reaction. So this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So what is happening here, that we are using anhydrous aluminum chloride and chloromethane. It is reacting with anisole. So this methyl group gets attached to ortho and para positions. Here also para product is major product and ortho product is minor product. So this is anisole, this is chloromethane, and the IUPAC name or of this compound, or the common name of this compound is what? 2-methoxy. Sorry, this is 4-methoxy. So this is the first position, 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth position, at the fourth position there is methoxy group, and at the first position there is methyl group. So this when methyl group is attached to benzene ring, it is known as toluene in common name. So it is toluene, 4-methoxy toluene. Similarly, this compound has name 2-methoxy toluene, right? So this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Now there can be Friedel-Crafts acylation also. So for that we will use acyl chloride. So what is acyl chloride? Like CH3COCl. So its name is ethanoyl chloride. Then what will happen? That instead of methyl group, what we will get? You will get COCH3 here, and here also you will get COCH3. So what will be its name? Its name will be, this is again first position, this second, third and fourth. So this is methoxy group, and this is when benzene ring is attached to COCH3, then it is known as acetophenone. So we will name it as 4-methoxy acetophenone, and similarly this will be named as 2-methoxy acetophenone. So this is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is also an electrophilic substitution reaction. Now next is the nitration reaction. So this is the last reaction, is nitration. So here what is happening, we are using nitrating mixture, that is sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Both are concentrated acid. So concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid we are using on any sole, for example. So what will you get? You will get 4-methoxy nitrobenzene. 4-methoxy nitrobenzene and 2-methoxy nitrobenzene as the products. So nitro group is attached at para and ortho position, and here also para product is the major product. So these were the electrophilic substituted products in ethers. So it was very easy topic. I hope you got this topic, and this was the last topic of this chapter, alcohol, phenols and ethers, and this chapter is over. In the next lecture series, we will learn about the aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids. So I hope you got all these topics of this chapter. Thank you.